Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to verify student ID on SheerID. First, visit the website or offer page that uses SheerID for student verification. When you reach the verification section, select the student option if prompted. Now enter your basic information such as your name, school name, and email address. Make sure the information matches your school records to help avoid verification issues. After that, click Verify or continue to begin the verification process. In some cases, SheerID may be able to verify your student status automatically. If automatic verification is successful, you'll receive confirmation and can continue with the offer or discount immediately. If additional verification is required, you'll be asked to upload proof of enrollment. You can upload documents such as a student ID card, class schedule, tuition receipt, enrollment letter, or another document that clearly shows your name, school, and current enrollment status. Before uploading, make sure the document is clear, readable, and not cropped. Then submit the document for review. SheerID will review the information and verify your student status. Verification may be completed within minutes, although some reviews can take longer depending on the documents provided. Once approved, you'll receive a confirmation message or email. You can then return to the website and continue using the student discount, offer, or service associated with the verification. If your verification is not approved, review the instructions provided by SheerID and submit an alternative document if requested. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.